Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Hagley Park Road and we're heading towards the halfway tree area. Now Hagley Park Road was recently renovated, as you can see, and this was done under the major infrastructure development program. So Hagley Park Road is one of the four main roads that intersect in the halfway tree area. And halfway tree is a very busy area. It's a major transportation hub. It's actually the busiest place in Jamaica. Up to 250,000 people a day pass through halfway tree. So you can imagine all the roads leading to halfway tree will be very busy. Also, Hagley Park Road takes the busiest area in Jamaica is halfway tree. But the busiest intersection in Jamaica is the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. So you can imagine, if you're going from the busiest intersection to the busiest place in Jamaica, it's definitely going to be a busy road. However, Hagley Park Road is not the busiest road in Jamaica. The busiest road in Jamaica is Mandela Highway. But Hagley Park Road is definitely one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. Alright, so straight ahead we're at the intersection. We're on Hagley Park Road. Turn left to go onto Eastwood Park Road. To the right is Maxfield Avenue, but that's a one-way coming up, so you can't turn right. And if we were to go straight, well, we can't go straight because it's a one-way coming down. But where you see that white, that blue and white building, that's another intersection, and that's the main intersection in Halfway Tree. So that's the intersection of Constant Spring Road, Hope Road, Halfway Tree Road, and Hagley Park Road. That's the main intersection in Halfway Tree. Not this light, the next light up, but we can't go straight because that's a one-way coming down. So that road straight ahead is also Hagley Park Road. Alright, so we're now on Eastwood Park Road. And if we turn right here, we would go up to Constant Spring Road. We're going to go straight. So straight ahead now is the Halfway Tree Transport Center. That's that massive building on the right. That's the largest bus park in Jamaica. And as we said earlier, Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. It's a major transportation hub. And that bus park is one of the reasons why, or the bus park was built here because it's so busy. Very nice structure. And I always say every parish in Jamaica should have a bus park like that. Maybe not as big, but they should have a facility like that. Alright, so this is Eastwood Park Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.